All right. What is up? This is Talus Plaza, and here I'm waiting for a free bus, a gift from the municipality of Heraklion to take me to the center. But as you saw, here we have cinema, we have a nightclub, and we have Starbucks in this Talus Plaza, and we have various shopping places that you can buy things, and also good place for drinking coffee. So now we will be going toward the center to see what's going on. Today it is Friday, the 9th of February 2024, 8:30 p.m. And one another thing, if you are willing to go to the center, you can leave your car here at the parking place and you can wait here and you can take the free bus to go to the center. That's also an option if you are looking for parking. Alright, so we arrived to the center, and as I show you the other video, it is Platia Cornaro, and it is also major bus station. So if you want to go back to the same place, you can wait here and you can take the same free bus and it will take you back. But remember, I guess on Sundays it goes until 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, and the last bus will be about 12 o'clock. So after 12 there are no buses. One day I was parked in the same exact place and I got a ticket for 300 euros. So be careful about parking your car here. The shop that you see here next to me, this vegetable shop, I remember this guy standing here and selling some fruits on just on a carriage, and now he has his own shop and his own business running. It's a good thing to see people growing. It is 8:40 and I'm noticing that until this time these shops were open, and now I can see one by one people are collecting their stuff. But this shop looks very beautiful. It's a jewelry shop. And the taverna which I was showing you yesterday in the other video, you can see how full it is, and also both of them are open. This one is open, and also the one which I was showing you, this one is also open. This street is overall a very nice street. You should not miss visiting this street when you are in Heraklion. Sometimes when we are buying meat from the supermarket, there are only just few cuts, but if you come to here, you can find all the cuts, all type of meat from that shop. It is also in the same street. Bad.